Wow. When I saw the title at first, I was thinking it was going to be like thought it was going to be like the movie. And actually, in a weird way, like, it was opposite, but also not entirely if you were to take it, like, just listening to the lyrics, because in the movie, the guy does have her in a hostage situation, even if it's not. Even though she's the one with the car, so she should have more control over it. She just kind of seems to go along with it. And that's what it seems to be representing here, is that she's allowing and she's permitting and she's going along with these things that he's doing to her. And then wondering why she's letting herself be abused. And letting him hurt her. And then in some ways it's very, it seems like it's maybe her looking back on it. And then there are parts of it that seem almost like I wasn't expecting the thing with him, like the symbolism of him, like basically being the death of her and burying her. That was really intense, the way that it portrayed that. But it was still like a really really heartfelt sounding song, and I loved the intensity. It's heartbreaking, but at the same time, I feel like so many of us have been there. Like, it's easy to look at some parts of that and see it as romantic, and yet it's not. Like, some parts, like, it's hard sometimes to train yourself to see something as abusive that's not, that's not actually romantic. Anyway, but it's still a very good video, because it does get to a point where a line is drawn. Not line is drawn, a line is crossed, where it's like, okay, now this is... Because I think that's really it. Like, if you never draw the line, if you never say, this is where I have my boundaries and this is where it's going too far, then there's nothing stopping it going to the very end. Which is why it's important that there be boundaries within any kind of thing, especially that kind of dynamic. There have to be some lines drawn. But really good video, though.